Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Stardew Valley on your PC or laptop. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Steam on your device. And if you don't have a Steam, just go ahead and download it by going to your browser and search for Steam download. Okay? And once you've downloaded your Steam, just go ahead and sign in your account. And if you don't have one, you can create one or you can connect it to your any account. For example, if you have any Google account, you can connect it. Okay. And now once you've signed in your Steam account, just go ahead and go to the store button right here. Click on it. Okay. And now you should see this text or search bar right here. Click on it. And now search for the Stardew. Okay. So search for Stardew Valley right here. So just go ahead and click on the game that you want. And let's just wait for it. Okay. So now once it is down, once it is loaded, what you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down and click on the add to cart. Okay. So click on this one. As you can see, you need to pay for a price in order to get this game. Okay. So now select purchase for myself because you want to play this game for yourself, right? So just go ahead and click on it. And next thing is what you need to do is to just go ahead and put all of the needed details. So for example, you select your PayPal account. So just go ahead and select PayPal. Also you have Visa, MasterCard, GCash, or eClub points option for the payment method. Okay? So you can also save your payment information. So checkout is easy next time. So now click on continue. Okay. So now just go ahead and review your order before it is placed. Okay. So just go ahead and click on continue right here. Now click on PayPal. So I won't purchase this game because I don't also have the PayPal account, but just go ahead and select or put all of the needed information for your account and review it carefully. And once you've done that, just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. And after that, you should be able to download and install the Stardew Valley on your PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.